guys, welcome back. Now I've got a wonderful project for you all to make that's really easy and it looks so cute. This is a beautiful little snow sign. It's about 2.5 foot of just a piece of MDF, some MDF blocks. I've just painted different colours, made myself a cute little snowman. So if you want to know how I made this, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Right, first of all, I've got a tiny piece of thin plyboard, and then I made myself a little template of a snowman. So I'm just going to put him on there and just draw around him. So that's the shape. So I've just got to cut that out. Give a quick sand. For the next step, I've got some nice thick MDF and I've pre-drawn 6 inches by 6 inches because that's the size of the block that I want. So I'm going to cut this out. That's 2 blocks. And then we need a 5" by 5". That's the third block, that's a 5 by 5, and we're just going to cut this little bit out just so we can support the snowman. So this block is going to support the snowman by placing it behind, so a bit like that. Next I've drawn some letters, so I'm just going to cut these out for a template. Now with another piece of plywood, I'm just going to place the letters on top. Now if you don't have any plywood, you can always just use any cardboard. Some nice thick sturdy cardboard, and that would do the same. So we're going to just draw around them like a template. And cut out as we did before. So this is going to be our base, and it's a big piece of MDF. It's about 30 inches this way and 4 inches that way. So we're going to paint it white on top and we're going to have a green side. I'm just using some tester pots for the green. Now we're going to paint our snowman. 2 coats of paint. Next, with a little black marker, just going to mark the outline. I'm going to draw where his hat is going to be. Now we're going to paint this black, and I'm going to paint the edge black as well. While the paint is still wet on his hat, I'm just going to put a little bit of glitter and leave to dry. I'm just going to paint the bit on his hat here. Now I'm going to make him a scarf. Have a bit of fabric, little tiny piece of orange card, 2 little eyes and a little mouth, a little button. Now we're going to paint our letter and place it on top. We're going to glue the back. Next, paint the 2 6 inches in a colour of your choice. I'm going to do like a nice reddy colour. After 2 coats of paint, paint the sides white Now paint the 5" by 5" green. 2 coats again. Again, paint the sides white. Paint your letters whatever colour that you want to use, and then just use a little bit of the glitter while it's still wet again. Just put a little bit over. Now that everything's all nice and dry and it's all been painted, the top, bottom and the back, I've actually changed my mind, and from the red I'm changing it to the white because I think that looks so much better and it's going to actually go with my decor. So you can do this, paint these whatever colours you want. Right, so next we're just going to put some of our letters on, and I've got this beautiful fabric. And all I've done, I've chopped 2 little squares out of it, and I'm going to place one on the white one and one on that one, and then I'm going to glue them down. Next, glue your letters on, and a nice little heart, because it won't be a handy Emma project if I don't have a little heart somewhere. Next we just need to glue it to the base. We just need to glue the back of the snowman and to put him on his own little stand. Then he'll stand up. Now time to add everything to the base. Now we're just going to glue the bases and then put them onto the base. I've got a little bit of foliage that I'm going to place at both ends. A little bit more foliage. This is what I've cut off the back of my tree. Some little plastic berries and some gold little touches. Thanks for watching, and I really hope that you've enjoyed the video. Remember, you can always make these little bits here out of cardboard, so it's a bit intricate. So add whatever you want to it, with your foliage, anything that you want to do. If you've liked the video, then give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to press that notification bell and then press all, and then that will let you know when I've made my next creation.